Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about sample database creation with Postgres database. We are going to take an example of dvdrental database, which is readily available in the internet. So to do this particular database creation steps, like these are all the steps you must follow it. Like first step is downloading the dvd rental database as a zip file, and once you get the zip file, you have to unzip it. You will get a tar file as a second step, and the third step you are going to launch it pgAdmin, which is the Postgres database server like management maintenance tool. Then the fourth step is to create a new database, not a user, because already we have a Postgres user. So we are going to use that user. With that help of it, we are going to create a dvd rental database. And fifth step, we are going to restore the dvd rental database. Upon successful restoration, we are going to validate whether the any one of the objects with and the number of rows it's returning, and how many number of rows is there. So these 6 steps we are going to make use of it to achieve sample database creation. Let us quickly jump into the demo. Okay, so I'm going to launch this site. If you see here in this particular site, the sample database information with a quick summary they had given already. So how many objects is there? Like 15 tables, triggers, 7 views, functions, and domain sequence, everything is there. But now our direct intention is not to discuss so much in detail about the inside of it. Like instead we are going to download the Postgres sample database. You need to follow this particular link. So once you click the link, you will see dvd rental. Okay, so it will get downloaded. So it will settle down in your download folder. So if you go back here, dvd rental .zip file will be there. Then the next step, as I mentioned, like you have to unzip, you'll get a tar file, correct? Like you have to unzip it, dvd rental .zip file, you will see the tar file. Then we need to launch the pgAdmin. So this is a management tool for Postgres database server to maintain, like as I mentioned before. So expand the server. So connect with my I have Postgres 17. Like you must be having your own database what you configured. So Postgres. So once you launch your server, you'll see that the database by default, like Postgres, will be there. So on top of it, you're going to create a new user. Okay, new database, not user, database dvd rental using the Postgres as owner. Okay, so this is what I had already mentioned, part of step 4. Okay, so now we had created successfully created the database. Now the fifth step is we are going to restore the database using the tar file. Okay, so the format you leave it as is. The tar file already we have it. Go to the download folder and select the tar file and hit a restore button. So you will see the restoration process is you will see. So once it is successfully completed, like you just close the process and try to launch a query tool editor. Okay, so in this query tool editor, so and once it is restoration under the schemas, if you see the public default schema under which all these objects have been created, like the tables, views, domains, sequences, everything whatever they had mentioned. So if you expand the table information, you will see all the tables. Okay, to confirm it whether it's loaded successfully, the data and the table creation, everything. So use limit 5 and see. So number of records, like I'm just for validation purpose I'm using limiting 5 records, but if you want to see overall record under this one. Okay, so this is the confirmation. So this is a quick idea about how to create a sample database called dvd rental under Postgres server. So this is a quick demo about it. Like if you have any question on this topic, please reach me out. Thanks for watching my video.